Hey y'all, today I'm gonna be showing y'all a server. So I'll be showing y'all. So this is the server. So if you wanna join it,
Well, the only reason
the link of the description of this server will be in the description. So and in the comments you can click it. So these are the chat ping and news ping. So So y'all can pick any ping. The most recent one is 53 people.
How much money you spend on that game?
News 14, 4 people. Uploads, collabs, 4 people as well. 8 people in comment. So you wanna just ping one. I'm just gonna pick the dead chat and news ping. And now you can pick if you don't have one of these, you can just click skip yeah, if you don't have anything, this like if it's not like in here, like if you're like for example level like 61 or something, and it's not in here, you could click skip and make and go to the tickets area, and then support attack, and it will probably put it in here so you can actually pick your level. But I'm not actually level 10, but I'll pick level 10. If you want to offer the port near the server, um, that means like being on ad. So you would go to the order ad center. So you show all channels. You can see all the channels. There's the order ad channel. There's Raids community, and we're having actually a rivals giveaway right now. And yeah, hold up, say it in the DM. I'm not join the server.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Oh, bro. I don't know, but I don't know why, but like some people bully me for this. Bro, I play Roblox, bro. I know. I play Roblox. Play Roblox. Yeah, bro, I know, bro.
Alright, hold up.
Dang! What game you, bro? All I play is like rivals and battlegrounds, hero battlegrounds, strongest, like just straight rivals and battlegrounds and just random things.
Okay, so let's go back to
bro,
it.
I love. There's only one battleground game I love. It's Hero Battlegrounds. So me personally, though, it has the best animation.
So yeah, we got truth and dare bots and stuff. We got raid bot in here, so you can talk to people, and we got active people in here. And yeah, and if it's not active for this page that chat, we'll probably have some active people. And Casey was the one that won member of the week because she was active a lot for like 1 a.m. And we got a whole levels giveaway, so starter bundle. And you could join the winning starter bundle if you win. There's only one winner.
What did I say?
Oh my gosh, I hate yeah. There's a whole new server. I hope y'all enjoyed the server. And please join the server.
What about virtually?
And it can be server info. It's a community feature and an icon.
Brilliant.
And the owner is my main account, which is Sparkles Real Rainy Dot.
But
So, yep,
it's like
it's
$1
$1
billion.
Yeah. Owner, Sparkle
I have so many
But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.